Hey, this is Bill Beaudry from MarketTimingResearch.com, and I wanted to give you a look at some of the trades that come out in our September Nasdaq newsletter that's already been issued, and you can take a look at them. And one of the first one is Apollo Group. You can see that this was calling for a top right around now, and Apollo's been going down. So we're not telling you to trade this, and we're not telling you that this chart will make you money. But it's pretty clear with a trend projection like this, if it comes true, what type of trading strategies a lot of people are going to try. Some people are going to buy the puts because it's so severe, so quick. Some people are going to be writing the calls. Some people basically are just going to be dumping out of the shares. And you never can predict what's going to happen, but what we do is we just come up with the seasonal tendencies, and we come up with the best orange projection line possible, and then we put that together for you to be able to see. All right. Another one that I particularly like for people who are option traders is Altera Corporation, ALTR, because this is usually a very, very steep drop off. Okay, starting late September. Okay. But this is the type of thing, or it could start in October, but this is the type of thing that people really look for with the seasonal charts. They really look for a really good steep decline or a steep rise, because there's a lot of stocks that make their lows in October or in November, and the newsletters will give you the best projection lines that we can possibly produce to help you find those shares. And every newsletter goes over 100 shares, and if it's in there, we have a good prediction, and if not, then we don't think that our method is very good for any predictions whatsoever. Another particular trade we can take a look at is, there's two of them actually. Here we go. Flextronics, which is another one which has a steep drop. Before, a lot of these stocks have a drop starting around the September 15th or September 22nd or 23rd. This one, the peak is right about now. And another one following that is Fleur, which this does not have as big as a drop as Flextronics above it. But you can see that if somebody were to draw a trend line, if this thing were to rally and you would draw a trend line or a MACD signal or a Fisher's transform on that, this is also a possible trading opportunity for you. But once again, SEC, FTC disclaimers. We're not promising that you'll make money doing this. We're not telling you to buy or sell stocks or bonds or commodities or puts or calls or write them or buy them or what have you. All we do is we produce the seasonal trend charts, and it's up to you to make trades. Okay, and we just think they're I wouldn't be trading this particular one, Garmin right now, sorry, not Grumman. Why? Because compared to trades like this, where everything seems to be lined up in your favor, it's about 70%, 68% past forecasting accuracy. Same Flextronics. Though this one hasn't really been matching things too recently. You wouldn't really want to do anything unless this thing had a little blip up. But this is the type of thing that you really want to look out for. You want to find the trades from the newsletter that can tell you or give you some opportunities, give you an edge, and go from there. And that's what we do in our S&P 100 newsletter, and our Nasdaq 100 newsletter, and our Dow Jones newsletter, which comes out during the middle of the month. And that gives some really great options trades because it comes out the 15th of the month, so there's really not too much time left for expiration. So that's it. That's Bill Beaudry from MarketTimingResearch.com. I hope you took a look at the Apollo and ALTR and Flex and FLIR, Fleur Group, and a couple of these others. And, there's a lot of possibility for trades. May the trade winds be with you. Good luck.